everyone, my name is Anastasia and I introduce you Mersin Real Estate Agency, and we are continuing my big video blog about constructions in my beloved Mersin, and today we are in Arpachbahshish as well. And I want to show you one really nice complex. Consists of two blocks. This is B block and here we have A block. And I want to tell you about this, so let's get started. So guys, here as you may hear, we have really intensive construction, and here we have two blocks. As I said, it's Arpachbahshish district, the district with the great embankment and the greatest beaches right after the Khoja Hasanli beaches. Here you may see how it's going, because you should know what you're buying. And here we will have 1+1 apartments, and as you may see, the sizes are pretty big actually. And also the infrastructure of this complex is pretty standard. Children's playground, children's playground, barbecues areas, fenced area, landscape design, and also of course swimming pool. And they had actually some really nice summer discounts, and maybe they will do discount for you if you want to buy here. Also here we have I like this location actually because it's not so close to the road and not so far away from the sea. From here it's around 600 meters, which is like exactly 10 minutes walking. And I like Arpachbahshish because of the infrastructure of this district, because you will have here everything. If you're a family and you have children, this place is for you as well, because here we have kindergartens and primary school. Also, this district is the closest district to our central city, Erdemli. And there are a lot of schools, a middle school, high school. And is it usual in Turkey that you will have here some kind of delivery of your kids? And also it's really nice, as I said, it's really nice infrastructure of this complex, because you will have here not only kindergartens and schools, you will have here as well as pharmacies, ATMs, and open space market, bazaar. And also you will have some little shops, you know, even with clothes and some little stuff. And also you will have here bakers, butchers, and just really nice people. As I'm always saying, I'm in love with Turkish people and their mentality, because they're always nice, they're trying to help you. And why I love Mersin, because people here are not used to tourists, as in Antalya or Bodrum, for example. And it means that they will not try to confuse you, they will not try to lie and, you know, make a great income for you because of you. And yeah, it's just how it works. When people are not used to it, they will not lie. So here we are on the first Turkish floor, and you may see there are no exactly, you know, the walls, but the sizes is really nice actually. And here we have B block, and construction just started, as you may see, a few months ago. So it's just really nice location. Of course, there will be constructions because it's just how it's going in Mersin now, but in the end, you will have a great location, you will have a great opportunity to earn rental income if you're interested in it, or if you're a family, if you want to try a perfect life here, if you want to try not only summer holidays time to spend here, this place is for you. As I said, I really like the Arpachbahshish district because of the beaches, because of the infrastructure, and of course because of the embankment. In the evening, it just, you know, it's like Miami Beach or something like this. I'm not joking, it's really crowded. There are a lot of cafes, a lot of shops, a lot of fresh fruits, vegetables, meat and fishes and everything you will find in only one embankment. There are even, you know, some little stuff for children to play, so it's really nice. It's really good. It's not about the sea view, but I think it's really nice location in a really good district for a really good price. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video because I did. And yeah, this place is for you, and if you want to know more, all information you will find right exactly down below in info box. And if you like this video, I hope you do. Please like and subscribe, and tell me, I'm really interested in conversation with you. Do you like it or not? Maybe you want to look at something luxury or villas, for example. I will do it for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.